Remember this? 1987. Do you know how many customers have brought this very magazine article into Renegade Hybrids? How many people have walked in and said, this particular Hot VW magazine inspired them to want to do a 914 with a V8 conversion? Guess what we've got? We got a couple of the old cars coming back for roost, and it's so cool because we're recreating what we did way back in 1987. And keep in mind, 1987, we were already in business since 1983, so we had already built a ton of these cars. For those folks that are just tuning in for the very first time, we're Renegade Hybrids. We're the company that does V8 conversions to Porsches, all sorts of different Porsches, including body kitted ones. I mean, remember the old body kits? I mean, these things actually still look kind of cool. So Boxster S 6-speed LS, Boxster S 6-speed LS, the old small block stuff came out. The 901, 914 transaxles, no longer in these two cars. And these body kitted cars, they absolutely haul butt. For everybody that is continuing to follow us since 1987 and beyond, we'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much. Renegade Hybrids here in Las Vegas, Nevada.